If your computer is stuck frozen on some program that you've opened and it's just like waiting and you can't close it or open any other screen, especially like let's say iTunes for example. If you're having this issue where you're stuck on a screen, it's saying wait, and you try to like close it, you try to go to it and close it, but it won't let you close it. It won't even give you an option to close it. Here's what you do: on your computer, hold down the control key, the shift key, and the escape key. And once you do that, a task manager application will open up, and it'll tell you everything that is currently running. So like right now for my computer, I have like the Internet Explorer open, I have my Windows Explorer open, I have Task Manager, and I have iTunes open. So if it was something that I wanted to close, let's say I wanted to close iTunes, all I would do is just hover over, right click, and click End Task. And that would immediately shut down iTunes. Even if it's stuck on where it's like swirling around, waiting or whatever, it would immediately close it. Then I can go back in and open it to retry it to make sure everything was working okay. So again, all you do is press Control, hold down Control, Shift, and Escape, and the Task Manager box will open up. Then whatever program you're trying to end, right click on it, and then click End Task, and it should immediately close. So, because I trust me, I understand when you get stuck on a screen and it's not letting you close it. You try it over and over and over, and then sometimes, in a lot of cases, most people just restart the computer. And even when you restart, like I had that issue yesterday and today, where like my iTunes, it kept getting stuck on the sign in. It kept wanting me to sign into iTunes, which I don't want to sign into iTunes because I'm not trying to buy anything from the damn iTunes store. But it kept trying to get me to sign in, and the screen was froze. It wouldn't let me back out of it, and I kept restarting and restarting and restart my computer. But every time I opened up iTunes, it just kept saying the same thing. It kept getting frozen on that sign in to iTunes page. So again, all I did was Control Shift Escape, Device Manager, right click, End Task. I closed iTunes, opened it back up, boom. It immediately, like this time when I did close it and I opened it back up, it did actually let me sign in because like I said, it would pop up and tell me to sign in, but once I went to like type, it wouldn't let me type anything. But this time it actually let me type it. And unfortunately, like I said, I really don't like signing into iTunes, but because I have to look up the password, and because I don't know my iTunes password like that by heart, because I keep having to change it because I always forget it. So I had to look it up. And when I found it, I was able to type it in, and boom, now I'm back to able to be able to sync my phone again because I added some more songs to my phone that I'm gonna have to sync to my iPhone. But I was able to get it done. So again, if you're having trouble closing any program, Control Shift Escape, go to Task Manager, right click, End Task. Hopefully that solves your problem. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like and comment. More videos coming soon. Trey T out. Peace.